end of the year backpacks and lunch boxes have all been sanitized and washed. And I do this in a completely non-toxic laundry detergent that helps reduce your total body burden of toxicity and endocrine disruptors. So I'm going to show you my favorite laundry detergent. It took me 2 years to find. This is Truly Free Laundry Wash. It is a completely non-toxic, really good laundry detergent that I have really enjoyed. This one jug is all you have to buy as far as replacements on plastic, and then you just refill it with the refill that I'll show you next. Refills really save on that extra plastic, and you just pour the powder into the jug, fill it with warm water, give it a shake, and you are ready to go. Okay, we're all shook up and it's ready to go. And I use 1 capful in each of my loads of really dirty farm clothes, and it works really, really well for us. I use the regular scent or the signature scent, but you can also get it in unscented if you would prefer. And I'm going to leave you a link to what the current deal is going on right now so you can save even more on your first trial of Truly Free.